Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Today, once again, podcast only. There is some problem with video at my house. Today, the markets were very choppy, but ended in green. Overall, it is a good consolidation day, we can say. And today, if you see the IT sector, it was Infosys up, Tech Mahindra up, but TCS was down. If you look at the banking stocks, and ICICI Bank fell while Axis Bank went up. And the largest two index heavyweights, that is Reliance and HDFC Bank, so both were very flat. So these are the signs of market consolidation going forward. So that was expected because we just cannot keep on rallying every day. So we have already rallied for 10 trading sessions. Out of the last 10 trading sessions, 9 trading sessions, Nifty ended in green. Just only one trading session, Nifty closed slightly negative, just 3 points. And that too against a very bad global backdrop. So this rally is a fantastic rally. And as I said, once it crossed 19,700, so technically the markets have become long, and long market, can continue to go higher. So the people say there is no resistance in a bull market and there is no support in bear market. So this is clearly a bull market. So there is no need to talk about resistance. And who would have imagined Nifty crossing 20,000 about 10 days before? And Nifty was breaking the swing low. And I always used to say once in few months, a Nifty will break the highest open interest of the month, beginning month open interest, to inflict the damage, bigger damage to option sellers. So while everyone was expecting that damage to come on the downside, but this month the damage has come on the higher side. So in the beginning of this month, Nifty 20,000 call option had the highest open interest. So that was broken comfortably within few days. And those people who sold 20,000 call option in the beginning of this month, which was trading around 35 to 40 rupees. Now it has shot up to 160 to 180 rupees. Today in the pre-market, I mentioned that the biggest uncertainty, that is a special session of parliament. So that uncertainty is gone now, and people were speculating a lot of things, but the agenda announced by the government, so nothing seems to affect the stock market. So that is why today there was no violent move in stock market. In fact, today India VIX fell drastically. And today is the first time I find that, though market closed higher, the call option premiums did not shoot up. So probably the time value is on our side. That is one reason. Another reason, the volatility index has come down. As I always say, markets can take positive things, can take negative things, cannot take uncertainty. So at least in the short term, there is no more uncertainty. So that could be one major role why the India VIX has fallen so much today. So anyway, so it is good that market started consolidating, the premiums started falling because in the last few days, every day the premium will keep moving higher. December 21,000 call option. It went from 40 rupees to 50 rupees, from 50 rupees to 60 rupees. But today, despite Nifty moving 30-40 point higher, so the 21,000 call option has come down slightly. And in 4 months like November and December, so both calls and puts have come down. So that is good news for option sellers. Now, going forward, what can we expect? Number one, mid cap index hit all time high, small cap index hit all time high, and Nifty hit all time high. So all of them happened in the last 2 to 4 weeks. But one major index that did not hit all time high is banks. So now the question is, will the banks touch all time high soon? So any meaningful correction can come, I think, only after Bank Nifty hitting the fresh all-time high. Now, Bank Nifty is just about 200 points. It's just only about 0.5% from all-time high. And today, Bank Nifty could not perform well because Axis Bank did well, but ICICI Bank, State Bank did not do well, and then HDFC Bank did not participate in the rally at all. So it was a mixed bag for banking stocks today. But despite that, Bank Nifty ended in green. So, therefore, what I am thinking for the next few trading sessions, the Nifty may range between 19,800 and 20,200, maybe for the month. So, we have only 9 more trading sessions. So, 2 weeks gone. So, we have only 2 more weeks. Out of the 2 more weeks, one trading session is a public holiday. So, we have only 9 more trading sessions. So, in this 9 more trading session, the Nifty range may be 19,700 to 20,500. Many people always ask me, sir, what analysis you follow? So there is no analysis in all these things. So it's just a simple thing. I follow a technical analysis. As per the technical analysis, 19,700 is the very good support now. And then I always talk about the box theory. So 19,000 to 19,500 is one box, 19,500 to 20,000 is another box. Now markets are firmly trading above 20,000. So maybe 20,000 to 20,500 may be the next box. So in that case, naturally the resistance will be around 20,500. Support will be around 19,700. So these are all like simple logic only. So there is no great technical analysis is needed. So even this simple one also we just analyze and we just say here. And many times we can go wrong. So as I always say, we have right to go wrong. So US inflation data came, wholesale price inflation data, so which was slightly higher than expected, but retail sales data seems to be good. But now US futures are firmly trading in green. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. But remember, Monday to Thursday, the markets were higher. So Friday, there may be some kind of a profit booking towards the end of the day, especially next week, Tuesday is a holiday. So anyway, we will discuss all those things tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening.